Hello everyone, my name is Monali Longmailai and I'll be talking about Dimasa as a language resource in Khorsel. I'd like to introduce Dimasa as a language. It is one of the Bodo-Garo languages spoken in southern part of Assam and Dimapur in Nagaland. Hashao is the standard dialect and Roman script is the adopted orthography for school education and other purposes. It is a vulnerably endangered language with approximately 150,000 people. It has limited documentation on the language and culture. I am currently working on digital archiving of Dimasa language using Mukutu at Bodo Dimasa Archive and also associated with Coursel for the digital repository of Dimasa through flood stories from 2022. This is a map of the Dimasa speaking region, which are shown in the spotted blue color. Coming to the core of my presentation today, the flood stories that we have collected consist of narratives from the flood experiences that the Dimasa community members had in and around Silchar. The files consist of audio and video files, and there were two series of flood, first wave and second wave in 2022. The data was collected during last week of September and in October, and it was total 9 days. We have chosen the location Rangpur in Silchar and also Bijipur in the outskirts of Silchar. There were approximately 40 language consultants with 40 recordings for each. They were about 20 years and above, the oldest informant being approximately 70 plus. Out of these data, 20 texts have been annotated using Seymour and deposited to the Coursel database. Our community partners on Animesh Burman and Momita Burman have undertaken this data collection for this purpose, and the entire project was funded from the NSF project, which is headed by Professor Shobhana Chelia with Scott Delancey and Alexis Palmer. These are some of the screenshots of the informants who were interviewed to collect the experiences of flood in their residences. And the next photo shows how it has affected their area. And also there was no drinking water for at least 2 weeks. And Momita personally has sent me these photos to share. This is a simple screenshot of the annotated text using Seymour, which Momita and Animesh they have done together, and this is the Google Drive where we have shared the link to be deposited in Coursel. Our goals with Coursel is to create a digital resource for the Dimasa language, and with the available data that we have from the flood stories, we plan to create interlinear gloss text in Flex and also create scope for multidisciplinary researchers with available annotated text, and also create a platform for community engagement of Dimasa in terms of language documentation and preservation. The outcome from these collaboration will be involvement of more community participation and their use of the Coursel website for their purposes, like providing materials for language promotion and use. It will also help in documentation and digital preservation of the oral narratives, as in the flood narratives, which we have collected to begin with. And we are also targeting for creating a digital corpus, text corpus for grammatical analyses such as differential marking, evidentiality, or discourse markers, to name a few. As of now, we are, because of this collaboration, we have started doing work on the flood stories as a book or booklet, and hopefully we'll be able to come up with the publication within a year or two. And that's all from my side. And Jutai, thank you.